Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Eunice, and if this is the first time that you are watching my video, you're welcome. And thanks a lot for clicking on this video. This is a natural hair care channel, and it's all about natural hair care DIY product reviews and anything on natural hair. So today I am here to share with you something very simple that you can do on your natural hair. This is part of the ways to be flexible with your hair. And actually, I'm trying to introduce clip-ins into my regimen. So I'm here to share with you how you can use clip-ins in a simple ways for your everyday styles. If you have not yet subscribed, or if you are new and you're not yet subscribed on this channel, please do well to just take a moment, hit on the subscribe button down below, and also on the notification or the bell button so that you're notified whenever I upload any of my videos. So back to why we are here. Yes, so as I was saying, this video is all about clipping extensions, and my hair here is 50% clip-ins and 50% my own hair. People become very amazed when I tell them this is not 100% my hair, and girl, it isn't. So I'm going to show you how I style this hair, and also why I want to show you what I'm showing you right now. So let me just give you a 360 of this hairstyle. This is the clip-ins in my hair. So I've had this hair in for a couple of days now, and I've been styling it like as I want to. Now the front part of my hair is my own hair, and then the back section is clip-ins. And this is 4C clip-in extensions, 4C clip-in hair. I like this hair, and I just want to show you how I'm using it. So this is also my hair. Okay, so we're taking out our clipping extension. Okay, so this is actually what I have here. So let me show you my hair before I show you the clipping. So this is my hair, all of my hair that I have out. Let me show you the back section of my hair. This is the back section. Okay, so this is the back section of my hair. So you can see that the back section of my hair is protected. I put it in twists actually, and then I covered it. Let me just show you again, maybe if you want to see in details what the back section of my hair is. So this is it. I just hope you can see it well. So I put it in twists, and then I covered it with this. So this is my clip-in extension. Okay, like I said, this is type 4B 4C clip-in extension, and this is actually one bundle that I used for this. This is more like a wig. I can't really say it's a wig, but I put it on the net that is used for crochet. Yes, this net. So this hair, I actually did a twist out on it for a couple of days. It has become frizzy because I wore it. I mean, I've been wearing it, and I did a twist out for a long time. I mean, the first time I co-washed the hair, I just did a twist out. I left it like for some time before I decided to pick it up to style my hair when I had somewhere to go. So this is actually how the hair is. It looks frizzy, but when you style it, it is it feels natural, it feels soft and all that. I mean, this is not a hair review, so I'm not coming to talk more about this hair. I'm just coming to show you how I use the hair. So this is how the inner part looks like. I put this on a mannequin hair, and then I clipped the clip-ins on it so that it gives me this hair. The reason why I did this is because I want to use it at just the back section of my hair, and I don't want to clip it on directly on my hair. Sometimes it can snag if you're not careful, but it's fine to use it on your hair directly. But this way I am able to put the clipping in my hair without, so that I'll be able to just take it off when I'm going to bed. You can actually sleep in this because it's not directly on your hair. And let me just show you how I wear this. So I actually put it on my scalp, on my hair, and then bring it close to the end of my hair. Okay. Now I have a little leave out here. Okay. That I'm going to use to cover the tracks, so that no one is able to see that these are my hair. This is my hair. This is a leave out. Okay. This is a leave out. So I use it to cover the tracks like this. Like this, and so you will not be able to see it. Now I told you that I have had this for a couple of days now, and so initially when I did this style, my hair was in a fresh twist out, so you could see the twist out like pattern. However, currently, I mean, I've had it in a couple of days, my hair has become frizzy and the curl pattern is gone, but it still blends well, so I don't have a problem. So let me show you the back again now that I have the clip in on it. Okay, so this is it. So the easy way I'm styling this is I'm doing a half. You can do a middle part. I first style it in the middle part, and then I'm now doing a side part. I want to do this part first because that is where I'll need to roll it, becoming a problem. Okay, yeah. All right. So I have here my, so when I first had this in, it was, like I said, curly because this is my own hair. It has become frizzy, but like when you have this in place, it does not come out. Like it will not come out, and you can rock this style. You can be changing the front part, I mean the styling of the front part, to whatever style that you want. This is going to be in place, and it is a very simple way to style your hair if you don't want to leave especially the back section of your hair out. Sometimes I feel like my hair, the back part of my hair, is like really on my neck, especially when I'm trying to like lay my head and all that. I just feel like, I'm doing a lot to my hair. So with this on, I know that this actually is not my hair, so um I don't really need to worry that much. And you can actually also apply water on it to restyle it. But like I said, this is a twist out. I really didn't want to mess it up, and so this is what I am leaving out. So the benefit of having this in is that it is very, very easy to do. You can have the flexibility of styling your hair in any way that you want to. When you are going to bed, you can either sleep in this, and trust me, it is not going to hurt your scalp, or you can take it off. Usually what I do is to take it off. In the morning, I just put it there again. In the evening, I take it off. But you can actually sleep in it. It is very, very comfortable to sleep in, and it is actually easy to do. You don't really need any experience to do this. So I just want to fill you in a little bit with the clippings that I have in here. Now this clipping I ordered from Alibaba, and it is a sample test clip-ins that I have in here. So I'm just trying to see how quality this clipping set in and how well it lasts and all that. That is why I decided to try this clippings. I have always seen people try clippings on their hair and they're very, very good, but you know the prices are very, very like way overboard. I can't afford it, so I decided to check out the ones on Alibaba. You can also check out those on AliExpress and all that. Then I put it in this. So this is the clipping. This is one bundle. That's what I've used here. I ordered two bundles actually, but I'm using just one bundle, and this is it. Very, very kinky and all that. So when I got this in first, I did a cold wash, it dried, and then I did a twist out on it. So that's why I was telling you that this is a twist out. So this is how it actually looks. It looks very full. It came in 8 tracks, and personally I feel like if you want to achieve a full look, like a more full look, depending on how full you want it, if you want it, I mean, on your whole head and just have a small leave out, you would need like 2 to 3 bundles of what we have here. Currently I have one in here. I haven't even used the other one to see how many, but I believe that you would need 2 or 3 depending on how full you need the hair to be. So this hair really shrinks up a lot, and it has really, really shrinked since I got it. Look at it, like the length of the hair. This is not my hair, but it has shrinked up, and it really does well to shrink up and all that. You can apply any product on it, it absorbs the product. This is actually not a review of the hair. I'm not coming to do a review of the hair. I'm just showing you what you can do with the hair. So like I showed you, that is how you can put in the hair, and you can use any cap. You can use this cap. You can also get a cap with the cornrow on it. Yes, those type of caps, you can get that one and use it. I was really looking up to use that kind of cap, but I'm not getting it in where I am, so that's why I'm using this one. And this actually gives you a more natural look in the sense that it feels like your own hair. It is also not that voluminous for people to know that it is not your hair. Sorry. I hope you get it. So it gives you a more natural look for an everyday hairstyle. And this is actually for an everyday hairstyle. No one will notice. You'll be good to go. And you would love this hair. You would love this idea. And you would love everything about it. So you can actually try this method of using your clipping extensions. And I'll be glad to know how it goes for you. I hope this video was very, very helpful. If it was, just give it a thumbs up, like by liking, and also do not forget to subscribe at this point if you are not a subscriber to this channel. Thanks a lot, and I'll definitely see you next week with another video from Kinky Felisa. As always, do stay blessed, and I'll see you next week.